Hello everyone, this is Harsha. Welcome to my channel Crypto English. So hi guys, today's video is a very special video. So you can see on my screen I am running 4 different nodes simultaneously. So in this video we are going to talk about next incentivized testnet, which is from Aleo project. So Aleo project is started a incentivized testnet on December 2nd. So I'll show you how you can participate in this, how you can run your node like this, and that too without any investment. So I'll show you complete process, step by step process, and even if you don't have any coding language, coding knowledge, I'll show you a single line script with which you can join this and run this node, and you can be part of this incentivized nodes. So now before starting the video, if you are here for the first time, subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, click the like button. If you have any doubts or clarification, leave them in the comment section below. And this video like that is 500 likes, so definitely click the like button right away. So let's begin the video guys. So first thing, what is Aleo project? So if you're not aware, they are going to build a zero knowledge blockchain where anyone can build a privacy applications. So now they have started, or they have announced a incentivized testnet on December 2, and incentives are already started, and that incentives will be converted into Aleo token once they have launched the mainnet. So now if you are thinking this is a small project, you are mistaken. So they have recently in Feb 7 2022 they have completed $200 million worth of funding round with a valuation of $1.5 billion. So which is a very huge amount. It is comparatively same amount like Aptos and Sui blockchain. So now this is a good opportunity. So if you don't remember, I posted a video about Aptos node setup in my channel, and whoever set up the node, they have earned 300 Aptos tokens for free in the airdrop, and they have made around $2,000 to $3,000 free money. So now if you have missed Aptos, I would recommend you should not miss Aleo, because this is also a confirmed opportunity which is incentivized testnet confirmed by the team itself, and there could be a potential airdrop opportunity also over this. So now let's begin. So to start this, to set up this nodes, if you see the screen, I am running this 4 different nodes. So to set up the node, you need to have a virtual computer, and for that the specifications are very high right now. It is 16 core CPU, 16 GB RAM, and 128 GB storage, and 100 Mbps bandwidth. So for that virtual VPS, if you purchase, it will be very costly affair. So now I'll show you 2 websites in which you can buy a server with a less or without any investment. So first platform is Vultr. Vultr will give you $100 free credit which can be used. So here you can see I am running 3 different nodes in the Vultr, and that in Vultr you will get $100 credit if you link your credit card. So there is another website which is Digital Ocean. This particular product will give you $200 credit if you link your credit card, and this will be valid for 60 days. So you can run a small node, small CPU capacity node in Digital Ocean, and a good performance node on Vultr. So now I'll show you Vultr process. Same thing can be followed in the Digital Ocean as well. So you can have the registration links in the description below. You can use my link and register into these 2 platforms. So now let's begin. So I'll show from the demo. So let's go. Once you click on Vultr link in the demo, in the description, you land on this page. Click on this profile, click on sign up. Here you enter your email ID and click on create account. So once you do that, you will enter this billing page. So if you want this $100 free credit, you have to link a valid credit card to this page, so or PayPal. So if you add PayPal, you need to spend $10, but if you add credit card, you need not spend anything to get the credit. So let's add a credit card. So here by default $10 will be selected. So if you want to remove, just click on I just want to link my credit card. So just tick that. Your billing amount will be 0. You will get 100 credits, $100 credit after entering card details, CVV and expiry date. So after entering all the details, click on link credit card. So once that is done, your billing information will be updated. You can go to billings tab on the left side and you can see your credit. So now I can see I got $100 credits remaining. With this $100, I can run multiple nodes based on the server capacity. So now let's deploy the server. So we got the free money now. So now let's go to the products, click on deploy server. So once you click on that, you will get this page. Now we need a, because this particular mining will need a high performance CPU. So we need to select a computing power which is having good CPU power. So now that will give you from the optimized cloud computer. So you have to select the first option. Come down here, you have to select CPU optimized option. So then you can select any country here. So you can select any country, and then come down here, you can select Ubuntu 22.10. This is a soft OS we are using. Now coming to the important part, server size. So initially when I deployed my server, I selected this small server which is having 2 CPUs, which cost me $40 per month, but that doesn't give the good performance. So then I selected a second server which is of $320 per month. So but you need not worry, your $100 credit will be utilized, because this billing will happen hourly. So hourly $0.47 will be billed, so you can still participate or deploy this $320 per month server with your $100 credit. This will have 16 CPUs and 32 GB memory, which is what required for the minimum requirement of the server of the Aleo node. But I would recommend, so if you run this $320 node, it will last for 9 days with your $100 credit, but within 9 days you will get some credits. But I would recommend, if you are ready to take some risk, you select this $640 per month, which is having 32 virtual computers. With this you will get a higher performance, 2x performance computer, and this server will last around 4 to 5 days with your $100 credit. So let's select that. So I'll select $320 for the video. Then just disable that auto backup toggle, enter the name here, and then click on deploy now. So once you click on deploy now, your server will be installing. So you can see the installing. It will take 5 minutes and it will be in the running state. So now we need to deploy the code into this server. So to do that, just click on these 3 dots here. Then click on view console. So once you click on this console will open. You can complete this activity in mobile browser also. So it is a mobile friendly VPS service provider. So now here you can see the server is still setting up. If it is loading, it means it is still setting up. So if you get this message like OK, reached the target cloud. So if that message comes, it means the server is up and running. So now in the keyboard you just need to click on enter. So once you click on enter, you will get this, your server name and login will be asked. So login ID will be root, ROOT. Click enter, then it will ask password. So password you have to get from the VPS. So you come back to this page, here click on 3 dots, click on server details. If you scroll down a bit, you can see the password details. You can see the billing currently is only $0.45. So now here you have this password, just click on copy. So once you click on copy, you go back to console, and here you have to paste it. You cannot directly paste in this console. You need to use this arrow here. Just click on arrow, click on this paste icon. Here you right click and click on paste. After pasting, click on paste button, and then your password will be pasted here. So it will not be visible even though you have to click on enter. So once you click on enter, your login will be successful. So now you are in the root. So now the interesting part is you have to set up the node. So if you are having a good coding knowledge, you can go to this GitHub page and you can run this run these codes one after the other. So but if you are not good at coding, just copy the script. So this is from the Node Guru website. They have made one single line script. You can copy paste this and they will set up your node completely. So just copy this script, open the console. Again you go to this tab and click on paste and paste this script and click on paste button. So once you do that, script will be pasted here slowly, and once you see .sh on the screen, just click on enter. So now Node Guru script will be started, and that script will automatically install your server. So now they are installing the nodes. Now you can see this message, you will get this message. You will just need to click on enter on your keyboard. So once you click on enter, node setup will continue. It will take 5 to 10 minutes based on your server bandwidth. After 5 minutes, if you come down to this page and see, you will your node will be up and running. So I'll just skip this part. So I'll just fast forwarding. After 5 minutes, if you see the screen, which means your server is ready. So now I'll zoom and show you. So you can see your account details will be shown in the bottom. So here you can see, please remember to save this account privacy keys and view keys. So these are the private keys, so you need to save them. It will also give you an address here, so you need to save this address also safely somewhere in your notepad. So now from this console you cannot do copy paste. I'll show you how you can copy paste. And then in the bottom you can see installed and works, which means your server is up and running. So now in case if you want to copy paste those content, you have to use a putty software in desktop. Just to install this putty software, copy your IP, paste it here, click on open, and you need to enter the login and password. Again root, password will be same, copy paste. You need to right click on this putty software to paste the copied items. Just right click and click on enter. So now you have logged in. So now to check the password details, so you need to come to the second useful command. You just copy this command, go to this page, right click, it will paste here, click on enter. So now you can see my private key, view key, address key are visible. I can select this, copy this and paste it in notepad, and I can save it somewhere safely. So only with this you will be able to restore your rewards. So now how to check how much rewards you have? Before that, if you want to see whether your server is running, just copy this prover logs command, paste it and enter. So now you can see my node is running perfectly without any errors. If you see any errors, you can head over to the Discord and ask the team members. But if you followed my step as it is, there won't be any error seen. The node will be running perfectly. So now finally we have set up the node, everything is fine. So now you got the address, you just copy this address, go to this leaderboard page. Here you can see each user's rewards are shown in the form of credits. You just paste that address here. So just copy this address, copy your address which shown in the node page, just enter that. So in case if you get any rewards, that will be shown here. So this server I am running from morning itself, so that's why I don't have any rewards. But definitely in few hours or maybe 1 or 2 days later, I'll be getting some credits. So then I'll be rewarded with this credit. So what are these credits? So as per the team, they have set aside 25 million Aleo credits for testnet round 3. And in this 25 million, only 30%, which is 7.5 million credits are given to this leaderboard contest. So in this, based on your CPU power, you will be getting some credits based on the mining performance. So now only 7.5 million credits are available. These credits can be converted into mainnet tokens in 5:5 ratio. For example, this user got 38,000 credits. So 38,000 credits divided by 5. So on mainnet, he will be receiving 7,600 actual Aleo tokens on mainnet. So that is very huge, I guess, but this guy must be having a very huge server. He would have spent a lot of money for this credits. But now in my point of view, there is more. So in case even after 3-4 days, if you are not getting any credits, nothing to disappoint, because they have clearly mentioned if this 7.5 million credits are not distributed or not, if there is anything left out before January 26, because this testnet 3 will run from December 2 to January 26. So if everything is left out, they will distribute this remaining tokens to the maybe as per their requirement. So they haven't mentioned the distribution criteria. In my point of view, maybe they must distribute them to all the nodes who have set up and running them. So now another important thing, there is another set of allocation here. So only 7.5 million from testnet 3 are going to leaderboard. So remaining 70% of tokens, they haven't mentioned anything. So in my point of view, they might airdrop this tokens to all the participants in this node running contest, just like Aptos has done. Aptos has given 300 Aptos tokens to every user who has set up the node. So in my point of view, that could happen here as well. So definitely try this node setup. It's completely free of cost. And with this Vultr, you will be able to run these nodes for 5 to 6 days. And after that, you can click this icon and you can server destroy. You can destroy that. But you can use this Digital Ocean, and this is having a 60 days validity, $200 credit. They have a basic CPU with 4 core processor. So with that, you will be able to run this for 60 days, which is till January 26. So even if you are missing anything in this, you will be able to get rewards from the digital cloud node. So that is how it is, guys. So that's all. We have completed the complete process of how to participate in Aleo testnet. So if you like this video, click the like button. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to the channel. If you have any doubts or clarification, leave them in the comment section below. So that's all, guys. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.